Hi! Welcome to Tita Lily's Kitchen. Today, I am going to show you my version of how I make spring rolls. Simple at napakadali lang. Heto ang mga ingredients na ating gagamitin. I have here 1 kilo of ground pork. Meron tayong shallots, garlic powder, ground black pepper, carrots finely chopped, sesame oil, salt, onion finely chopped, 2 eggs for our binder, at saka wrapper, and syempre oil for deep frying. So first, kukuha tayo ng mixing bowl para pagsamasamahin natin itong mga ingredients. Ayan, ito na yung mixing bowl. And I'm going to combine all the ingredients and mix it all up after. I'll start with ground pork. Then we'll add the garlic powder, black pepper, carrots, we'll add the green onions, sesame oil, we'll add in salt, onions, and 2 eggs. Now that I have it all here in one bowl, I am going to mix it well to combine all the aromatics that we put in to release the flavor. I'll keep on mixing this till I get the feeling of the mixture becoming tacky. At this stage, I think our mixture is ready for wrapping. I want to show you my style of wrapping. Put the wrapper in diagonal, scoop a small amount of filling like 1 teaspoon, then fold the 2 sides, roll it a bit, and then wet the corner end with water, then seal it. Easy. So, itutuloy lang natin ito hanggang sa maubos na itong mixture. You just have to make sure that you have enough wrapper. Katulad ngayon, I think I'll run out dahil marami pa akong natirang fillings. 50 pieces lang kasi itong pastry. Maybe I need 50 pieces more. So, with 1 kilo of pork, you can make 100 of rolls. Hindi na masama. This is the last one. Kaya, moving on na tayo to the next step. Ngayon, i-deep fry na natin ito. Lagyan natin ng 2 to 3 cups of oil itong ating pan. Kailangan hintay natin mainit na ang mantika bago natin ilagay yung ating rolls. Yan, pwede na. Now, we'll cook rolls in batches like 12 pieces each cooking para hindi ma-overcrowd ang ating pan. Now, hihintayin lang natin itong maging golden brown and then we'll cook another batch. Yung aso namin na-upset na naman. Nagugutom na siguro. Patch! 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 Yun, tumigil na. May tao kasi sa kapitbahay. Yan, okay na to. Pwede na tayo maglagay ng another batch. Less than 5 minutes lang ang cooking time nito. That is why I use a small amount of filling para when the pastry turn into golden brown, luto na rin yung pork. So, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo hanggang sa maluto na lahat itong ating spring rolls. Ako, naririnig nyo ba yung sound na yon? Very crispy ang ating spring rolls. So guys, this is my crispy pork spring rolls served with sweet chili sauce. Sana nagustuhan ninyo itong recipe ito. Thank you. Till my next video and don't forget to subscribe.